Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious beef sandwich. First, select a high-quality cut of beef, such as sirloin or ribeye, ensuring it's well marbled for maximum flavor. Next, you'll want to thinly slice the cooked beef against the grain. This step is crucial for tenderness. Finally, gather all your fresh ingredients, from crisp lettuce to ripe tomatoes, to build a truly satisfying sandwich. Let's get started on this culinary journey. Now let's talk about cooking the beef. Begin by seasoning your chosen cut generously with salt, black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Next, heat a skillet to a high temperature with a touch of oil, then sear the beef quickly on all sides to create a beautiful, flavorful crust. Cook it to your preferred doneness. For sandwiches, a medium rare is often ideal, keeping the beef juicy and tender. This step is key to a great sandwich.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, after you've enjoyed your amazing beef sandwich, you might have leftovers. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your food fresh. You can find the link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your beef cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by selecting a sturdy bread, like a ciabatta roll or a crusty baguette which can hold up to the fillings. Then spread a delicious condiment on both sides. A horseradish sauce or a garlic aioli works wonderfully. Finally, layer your thinly sliced beef, perhaps some melted cheese and fresh vegetables like arugula or caramelized onions. Build it high and enjoy every bite. To truly elevate your beef sandwich, consider some flavor enhancements. Caramelized onions add a wonderful sweetness and depth that complements the beef perfectly. A sharp cheese, such as provolone or a mature cheddar, can provide a delightful tang and creaminess when melted. Don't forget to lightly toast your bread. This simple step adds a fantastic crunch and warmth, making the sandwich even more inviting. These small touches make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.